So this is not the ideal setup really, because the lights are just sitting in the grass. Obviously if I were setting them up as landscape lights, I'd have them on stakes and above the grass a little bit, or maybe better placed. And also there's a street light right in front of our house, so it isn't pitch black dark, but you can still see. Right now they're going through one of the scene modes that you can put them in, and if you put them in a group and then turn them on at the same time, then they are in sync and whatever you last had them with. And then I'm going to use Alexa on my phone to be able to change the settings. So turn the landscape lights to red. So you see that's red, and you can see it's even though they're on the ground and some of the lights being wasted pointing towards the ground, it makes basically the whole front of my house red. Set the landscape lights to blue. So you've got pretty much all the colors that you could possibly want, but you also have warm white and cool white. Set the landscape lights to warm white. So now you can see how bright that is. It really lights up everything. These are, again, 25-watt lights, so really nice and bright and light up everything really nice with that warm white. If you're a cool white person, you can do that. Set the landscape lights to cool white. So that's a cool white. Personally, I prefer the warm light for landscape lighting, but you can do it however you want to do it, whatever works for you. Set the landscape lights to purple. That might be good for Halloween effects, but you can see lights are really bright even sitting on the ground, which isn't the ideal setup. They're still able to, they're bright enough to light up the entire front of the house with the two lights. Set the landscape lights to warm white.